Good morning friends and welcome to online tutorial of class 8. My dear students, in the last session we studied about the cyber security of computers. Now in this session we are going to learn about the viruses, then types of viruses, then threats, computer threats and types of threats. Now all those things we are going to learn in this chapter. Now the first point is virus. A computer is a program. A computer virus is a program that can multiply and spread itself from one computer to another computer and causing various types of damage. That is called virus. Means virus is nothing but the computer program which is made by a user or programmer, and that program can multiply itself into the computer. Means they can spread into the computer by itself and causing the computer or harm the computers. Virus is a program loaded into the computer memory without user's knowledge and without user's awareness. Means user don't know how the virus is coming into the computer. So it is inserted into the computer without user's knowledge. Viruses can make copies of itself. Viruses can make copies of itself. Means it can spread into the computer system. Virus is the man-made computer program. Virus is the man-made computer programs. Means it can made by the man for a bad intention. So this is the virus. Now what is the symptoms of virus? How we can identify the virus is coming in our computer? The symptoms: changes in the file size. Whatever the files are present in your computer, their sizes are always changes. That means we can identify the virus is coming in our computer. The date or time of your files is always changes. Computer becomes slow down. Your computer slow down means we can identify that the virus is present in our computer. Unexpected system failures. Unexpected system failures means what? Your system is crash or suddenly shut down or maybe closed. So this is called unexpected system failures. Low computer memory. Low computer memory means what? Your computer memory is occupied by the virus. So these are the symptoms we can identify in our computer. Then we can understand the virus is present in our computer. How viruses are spreading? How viruses are spreading? By the infected floppy disk. You know the floppy disk. We can insert in our CPU. Means when we insert the infected floppy in our computer, that time the virus is spreading. Infected pen drives. We can, if we insert the infected pen drive, if pen drive is contain a virus, and that pen drive we can insert into the in our computer system, that time the virus is spreading. Or by the internet. When we are surfing on the internet, that time the virus is coming into our computer and by network computers. If our computer is on the network system, the number of computers are attached with to our computer, that time the virus is also coming to in our computer. So this way the viruses are spreading. Now next topic is types of viruses. Now there are certain types of viruses. The first is boot sector virus. This category of viruses infect the boot sector of the disk and forcing them to lose the data or unusable the disk. Means this type of virus are infect the boot sector. What is boot sector? The boot sector is present in the hard disk of our computer, and this boot sector virus is directly infect the boot sector which are present in our hard disks and lose the data or unusable the disk. The next type is terminate and stay resident virus. This virus is also called as TSR virus. This type of viruses stay into the memory of infected system, and what these viruses do? These viruses infect the healthy disk. Means once this virus is coming in our computer memory, that part of the memory is infected, and these viruses again infect the other healthy disk which are present in our computer. So this is the TSR virus. Now next one is application software virus. This virus infect the computer and application programs such as Microsoft Word. We know that there are application programs in our computer, just like Microsoft Word, MS Paint, MS Excel, PowerPoint presentation. All these are the application software, and this application software virus is infect these application programs, and they are coming into the computer via email. By email, this virus is coming in our computer. The next type is time or logic bomb. It is also a very dangerous virus. See, this virus is designed to activate at a certain date or time. At a certain date or time when a specific condition is get true. Means it is logically invented or designed. Means when that condition is occurs, that time this virus is spread into the computer. So this type of virus, the example of this virus is Y2K or year 2000 virus. Now the next point is types of threats. Types of threats. Common types of threats in computer. Which are the common types that are available in our computer? First, we see what is threats. Threat means the computer program that harm the computer. Threats means a computer program that harm the computer. So there are 4 types of threats which are available in our computer. The first is Trojan, the second is rootkit, third one is keylogger, and fourth one is worm. Keylogger again classified into 3 categories, and worm also classified into 3 categories. So first we see Trojan. What is Trojan? Trojan is a computer program that appears to be useful software but actually causes damage. Once installed or executed on the computer system is known as Trojan. Means Trojan is a computer program, and that shows itself as a very good program or a useful software, but actually he can damage your computer. And once this program is installed in your computer system, it can harm to your computer, and this program destroy valuable data files. This program destroy valuable data files. Trojan virus replicate themselves on the computer. Means it can spread itself into the computer system. So that's why it is called as replicate themselves on the computer. These programs may be used as to carry viruses into the system. Means these Trojan threads can carry also different kinds of software with them and insert into the computer. Means it is called as a carrier of other viruses, and it also carries the malware into the computer system. The Trojan horse is the example of this Trojan threads. Now the next one is rootkits. What is rootkits? A rootkit is a malicious software. Malicious software means malicious software means it is the program which is designed for a bad intention. That is called malicious software. Now a rootkit is a malicious software which hides the program from the normal method of detection and enables a system to access the computer. Means what these rootkits are doing? These rootkit softwares are hides your computer programs and enables access to unauthorized person to insert the computer to get the entry to illegal people or unauthorized people or unauthorized users into the computer. So rootkits provides the access to illegal users. Rootkits control the whole system. These rootkits softwares get the control on your whole computer system. Now these rootkits are available. These are the threads which are available in our computer. Now the next type is keyloggers. What is keyloggers? Keylogger is a well-known malware. It is a well-known malware. Malware means just like viruses. Keylogger is a well-known malware that can build into the Trojan horse and used to steal sensitive and personal information. What these keyloggers will do? These are the programs which steal your personal information which are present in your computer. They can steal your all these information. Now keylogger has three types. The first type is software keylogger, second is hardware keyloggers, and third one is wireless keylogger. Now we can see these types. See types of keyloggers. The first, software keyloggers. Software keyloggers capture the keystrokes by running the procedures, and software keyloggers capture the keystroke by running the procedure. Means what these keyloggers are the programs which are running backgroundly in your computer system, and they can capture whatever the user is typing in your computer, that all the key or keystroke is captured by these software keyloggers. And the types of keyloggers are kernel based and hook based keyloggers. The next one is hardware keyloggers. What is hardware keylogger? Hardware keyloggers capture the keystroke at the hardware levels. Hardware levels means what? Whatever the command is sent to our computer hardware, just like printer, scanner, camera, all these hardware. The command is sent to these hardware. That command is captured, and that keystroke is captured by the hardware keyloggers. Now the next one is wireless keyloggers. Wireless keylogger snippers. These types of keyloggers collecting the log keys and data packets which sent between the keyboard and the resources. Means wireless keyloggers. What the wireless keyloggers is collecting? Keylogs and data packets. Whatever the information is sending by the keyboard to the other parts of the computer or other programs which are present in the computer, that all key or data packets is captured by wireless keyloggers and sent to the bad intention peoples. So these are the types of keyloggers. And these keyloggers steal all your information from the computer and send to the bad intention people. The last threat is worm. Worms means what? Worms is like a viruses. Worms is like a viruses. And what they are doing? They are replicate themselves in the computer system. Means these worms replicate itself into the computer system. Means they can spread into the computer system by itself. So, but they do not make the destructive effect into the computer. Means they are not very infected to your computers. They are limited infect through the network system, and what they are doing, they just eating the bandwidth and producing congestion. Eating the bandwidth means what? They can slow down your internet speed. That is called eating a bandwidth. And what is producing the congestion means what? They can make the block into the computer speed or internet speed. That is called producing congestion. Means these worms are limited infected, and they can eating a bandwidth and producing a congestion. Worms are independently spread into the computer. They can independently spread. They don't need any medium to spread into the computer. They can independently spread into the computer. What is the symptoms of these worms? Computer becomes slow. What are the symptoms? If the worms are present in the computer becomes slow. Frequently system failure occurs. Your system, if your system is slow down, that means your system will fail, or your system frequently fail, or shut down, or maybe lock down. So these are the symptoms which are present into the computer. Now the types of worms. Which are the types of worms? Email worms, instant messaging worms, and network worms. The first is email worms. This type of worms spread via infected emails, messages, and attachment. Means this type of worms spread via infected mails. We know we are sending the emails to our friends or relatives. We can send the message and we can attach the pictures or videos to our friends. So that time these worms are linked with these emails and sent to your friend's computer. So via email or messages these worms are transferred or sent. Now the second one is instant messaging worms. These worms spread when the users are involved in online messaging. When we are surfing on the internet, that time these instant messaging worms are spread or enter in our computer. Network worms. These worms copy themselves into the shared folders, network work resources, and get download on network machines. Means if our computer is present in the network, means number of computers are connected in the network. If one of the computer is infected with these types of worm, so that worm is coming by the networking and insert or enter in your computer. Means they can replicate by the sharing of folders or sharing of files by networking. So these are the types of worm. So thank you friends. I hope you enjoyed the today's session. Now the next topic we will come on the next session. Thank you.